Hey there friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 92 for today. We're going to craft with the Fresh as a Daisy DSP, and I'm using a basic white card base for this card. So I'm going to take my 6x6 panel and cut it down to 4 1/4 by 4 3/4, and I've got a leftover 4 1/4 by 1 1/4. That top section I'm going to then just trim with the edge of my scalloped contour die that goes across there. So I just get a scalloped edge across the top with a little bit of stitching detail as well. Next, I'm going to stamp my Your Absolutely Amazing sentiment from the Color and Contour stamp set, and I emboss that in white across the top of that green section. So here are all the quick and easy parts and pieces for this card, and all the details will be on the tutorials you'll get in your emails on Wednesday in your mailbox. To begin, fold your card base in half and give it a crease with your bone folder. Then we're going to add the 2 panels of DSP to the front of our card with liquid adhesive. The larger one goes along the bottom, line up your edges, and then we're going to adhere the skinny one along the top to finish off the front of that card. I added a little bit of bling with the Glossy Dot Assortment Pack, the little yellow in the center of 3 of those flowers. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy project today. Remember, so you don't miss out on any projects, subscribe here to the YouTube channel, and I will share more with you. You can find me at my website, pumpkinhillstampers.com, and you can always contact me by email. The links are all below. Do some fun stamping. I'll see you again soon.